Hi guys. Well, it's about to rain. Oh my gosh. We just made it home from school, me and the girls. Say hi. Say hi, baby. And we're checking on the garden real quick because it's finna storm. And they better be ready to run. Look at those greens, guys. You know I just cut them. And I'm not gonna let that cucumber take over. Go in the house. Go. I'm coming. Go. Guys, it's getting mean out here. You see that? The bok choy and the cabbage and stuff. Everything is sprouting. I'm sorry, I'm doing a rush one, but it's gonna rain. So we're gonna see how this go. And look at those. Look at that zucchini and squash. It's filling out since I got that stanky corn out of there. Sorry. So yeah, everything is looking okay. I mean, the greens are already growing back. You see where I harvest those. So yeah. We have the pak choy and the mustard over there. No, that's the kale. And I know this is probably one of the craziest videos you're gonna see, but this is just how fast we had to come and get a pre-update before it rained on us. So yeah, that's our. This is where we at. Look, it is so mean over there. This is the stuff. Can you open the door for me, girls? Push it, baby. Thank you.
The one keep blowing up the door.
Woo!
The one keep blowing the door.
All right, guys. That is our small update. And the rain will start hitting the window. There we go.
Donna?
We came in just in time.
Donna? Donna?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do it.
I hope my stuff don't fly. This is all I have left to plant. I'm going to put them out probably, if it stopped raining, then I'll put them out today.
It's raining.
If not, I'll put it out tomorrow, maybe when I get off work. So, and then I'm going to trim those, guys, because
No, it's not raining.
look at this here. Lana, she's already been getting in trouble at school, y'all.
Nice.
She been talking so much, they said.
The lady just got out of the car.
Her teacher said she will not stop talking. What did you do today at school, Lana? Look.
What's the wind on me? I see it.
Okay. Move back so we can close the door. All right, guys. Be back later. Well, guys, today is over. I've been over here nodding and nodding and nodding. I'm so sleepy. But I wanted to catch up on a few videos I hadn't had a chance to do. Of course, I had to force myself to eat dinner because I don't always have a big appetite. But anyway, we got some rain, as you can see. It's actually still raining. It's now 9:15 my time, Central Time. But I'm going to go ahead on and retire for the night. For those that is curious, school is going well. It's still different. It's still a little adjustment. It's a little saddening because I see my little babies from last year, and it's like you want to hug them and squeeze them, but you can't. So I have to straight up say, elbow, elbow. And we have to do the air hugs and blow the kisses. So it's a little weird. But yes, my body is starting to acclimate a little bit. And as you can see, the twins, they of course they attend school where I work at, and it's how you said, it's interesting, but it's everything that I thought it would be. And of course the teachers love them. They're doing well. I know it's only 2 days, but if you're good at what you do, you recognize greatness, you recognize goodness. So I'm blessed. The twins are adapting, and their teachers are actually able to see just what they know. You got Miss Smarty Pants, Lana, correcting other students. I mean, hey, everybody don't have the training you have, but you got Miss BB. She's so good. I'm saying to myself, lady, hey. But anyway, yes, everybody's doing very well. School is going well. I mean, I'm still adjusting. I'm not perfect at it. Whew, that 5:45 time come quick. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. I was going to get some more footage of the weather outside, just the fact that it's raining pretty good. And I'm not going to lie, I hate being hot. It's bad for my skin. It's bad for my asthma. But as well as, I don't like to drive in the rain. I don't like to be out in the rain. But my plants need the rain, okay? It assists me a lot in my garden. And with that being said, when it rains, I get a really, really good, I guess you could say watering. I never want too much water. And so far, I haven't had a lot of issues with that since I've been gardening. But just the assistance from the rain, it really do help me out where I'm at. Yeah, so if I get home early enough tomorrow, maybe I will have a chance to come out and give you maybe a little footage of how the vegetables are doing. And if you grow, those that have grown greens or brassicas, you know that they can kind of shoot up really quick. If they have the right, the right ingredients, they will do what they're supposed to do. So I am looking forward, of course, to be harvesting greens every day, whatever, because I love greens. I can cook them every day. But all I can say is I know my craft, and I know my weaknesses. I know my strengths. I know what helped me, and I know what don't help me. But right now, I'm blessed because Mother Nature, for me, is it's like a sign of relief to know that I don't have to get out there and water. I think this week I watered once, and that was Monday. Yeah, and technically all week we expected some chance of rain. Some areas still may not get it. We may miss out a day or so, but even if we get some, it may be a little bit. But for me, anything and everything is good, and it's a help. So I'm going to say goodnight once again. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Oh, these allergies. Please like, share, comment, and hit that little notification bell down there. And every time I put out a new video, you'll be notified. Again, thank you. Hopefully my next video, true video, you would actually get a chance to see me update. And yeah. So again, have a good day.